Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie, and I am hiding in my kids' bedroom because it is about the only quiet room in the house right now. So I am filming from my kids' room. So in today's video, I am bringing you something different. It is not a grocery haul video. I'm actually taking you on a small foliage scenery drive. I know this was last month. I'm a little bit late to post this, but anyhow, I wanted just to kind of give you viewers a glimpse of the fall foliage here in Idaho. Being from Southern California, we don't really see beautiful fall foliage like we have here. So I just thought it was something, or it would be something nice to share. So that is today's video. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to subscribe down below. It is super simple. As you know, you just have to click on that button, and I would appreciate your support and you subscribing and helping my channel grow. So if you do subscribe, I want to thank you very much for doing so. And I am going to stop talking now, and I'm going to roll a clip of the Scenic fall foliage. Hope you guys enjoy. guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed that clip. And if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe down below. And please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And also, and I will leave my link down below for my Instagram if you want to also follow me there. I just created an account to link to my YouTube channel. So with that said, I will see you guys on the next video, which will be a grocery haul. Till next time.